In the previous video, we looked into the digital elevation model or the digital terrain model. We saw some problems with this digital elevation model that we were able to download. These problems are the building footprint, which is close to the water channel, and we need to clean this up in the next videos. But in this particular video, what we need to do is we need to bring in the digital elevation model into RAS-MAPPER. So to do that, we first need to set the projections, and then before we can create the terrain file. So we have to go to our HEC-RAS, and when we go, we have to open RAS-MAPPER. It's going to take a while. Once RAS-MAPPER is opened, what we need to do is we need to go to Project, go to Set Projection File, and here I've already added it, but you just have to go to the projection file, you add it, and you say Apply, you say OK. So you have the projection file added. To add the terrain, you need to click Terrain. You can download terrain from USGS or a grid file, but we have to create a new terrain file, so we have to create new RAS terrain file. So I'm going to select the digital elevation model that we have, which is a LiDAR. I will click Open, and to save it, I'm going to find the location where it's located. I want it to be in the RAS terrain, so I'm going to hit here, and I will say RAS terrain, RAS DTM. So this is the one I'm going to create. I'm going to say RAS DTM. So with that, I can hit the create. It's going to take a while to create, but while it's going on, it's going to take some couple of minutes. So right now I'm going to pause this video. I will come back to this and we can continue once the terrain has been successfully created. So we can give it some more time. I have paused this video for over 3 minutes. So we come back again to check it the next couple of minutes. So I'm gonna pause this video. So right now we have successfully created a terrain, and you can see it's a terrain complete. It took 2 minutes and 30 seconds to complete. So I'm going to close it. We can go back and we can look at this, and to see if we have the right in the right place, we can bring in our map layer. So we're going to hit map layer. I'm going to hit add web map imagery, and I can select from Google Satellites, and I'll hit OK. It's going to take a while, we have it, but the RAS mapper is underneath it, so we need to bring it to focus. So what we need to do is we can, and this is a defect from HEC-RAS, so they need to find a way to be able to move the map layers beneath, but right now we don't have that functionality, so we have to change the visualization so we can see through, which is the transparency. We're going to hit image display, and I'm going to hit I think opacity, and I'm going to hit update legend with view, and then once I do that, we can see that the terrain can be visible, and we should have buildings where we see the missing the building footprint coinciding with the buildings. So I can also shift it more and see. So I'm gonna close it. So this is saying is that these locations where we have the values to be green, deep yellow are where we have the channel, while the red portions are where we have the roads and the highlands, the roads. So if I turn off this, those, you can see those. So with that in mind, we see the building footprint. So we need to close that. And so in the next video, we are going to modify the terrain. We are going to fill these missing holes and we are going to do further inspection. But right now we have successfully created our digital elevation model, uh, the format which is the HDF format which the RAS-MAPPER can read. In the next video we are now going to process the digital elevation model by filling this building footprint so we can build our culverts and we can move from there. So you can go ahead and close this. We can continue in the next video on terrain modification.